This cat lost her tail.
Would you like a treat? No? Alright. Forget it. I tried to make friends. Good kitty. Oh, what a good cat. What a good cat. Good cat. Got some stuff on your nose. Please be a nice cat, okay? Please be a nice cat.
This is Ducky, and she is a Manx mix.
Good kitty.
Technically, she didn't lose her tail, but she was born without one. Known as one of the world's oldest cat breeds, the Manx is the only breed of cat without a tail, and it's caused by a genetic mutation. These cats can weigh anywhere from 7 to 13 pounds, and they have a life expectancy of 8 to 14 years. The Manx is a social cat that loves her humans, and they are very intelligent. They easily adapt to new situations, just like being groomed.
Oh, good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Oh, stay there.
Although Ducky isn't sure how she feels about the bath, she is a fairly laid-back and curious feline.
Good kitty. This is a very quiet cat. You're cute. What a nice cat. Okay, I think kitty cat's good. Thank you for being cooperative.
The beginning of her blow dry was a scary experience.
No, don't do it. Okay. It's okay. You're okay.
But after about a minute, she calmed down. I was even able to blow dry her belly, which is usually a no-go for most cats. Sometimes the dryer can cause the hair to be a bit tangly, so I brush her out first with my slicker brush, and then once again I de-shed her with the Equi-Groomer. I gave her a spritz in bubblegum cologne, and unfortunately, Ducky still refused my peace offering. How rude.
Still don't want it?
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the docile Ducky.
In your house. Goodbye. See you.